If you want to watch ESPN without a traditional TV provider, this video is for you because honestly, you no longer need a cable subscription to watch ESPN. There are several streaming services that give you access to ESPN live directly from your phone, tablet, smart TV, or computer. Let's look at the best options. One of the most popular choices is ESPN Plus gives you access to exclusive live sports, original show highlights, and special events all through the ESPN app. Another great option is Hulu, which includes ESPN channels as part of its live TV package. You can also consider YouTube TV, which offers ESPN and other sports channels through a monthly subscription. Another popular option is Fubo, which is designed for sports fans and includes ESPN, among many other sports networks, and if available in your area. Now, here's something important. Availability may vary depending on your country because some services are only offered in specific regions, so always check which platforms operate where you live before subscribing. Compare pricing, sports coverage, free trial offers, and supported devices to find the option that works best for you. So to summarize, the best ways to watch ESPN without a TV provider are ESPN Plus, Hulu, YouTube TV, Fubo, because honestly, watching ESPN today is easier than ever, and you can do it from almost any device without needing cable.